Okay, I said a while ago about getting ingredients right, about the planning. So before, so that once again, pinano ko na siya. It doesn't end there. Pinano ko na ako kailangan lahat, diba? So I bought tons of gulay. Kasi organic yung pinupunan ko ng gulay. Sa Baguio pa siya nagagaling. So, mandami kong binili. Hindi ko inisip. Hindi ko naman pala mauubos. So, yun. Those are the things na slowly mo pa rin siya maaano pala. Hindi naman pala pwede yung pinano mo tapos mag-hoarding ka. Hindi pa rin yun yung answer. Kaya, hindi ko pa rin masasabi that I perfected the housewife role because I still encounter everyday problems.
So, but so far, how do you do it? How do you store your organic produce naman?
In the ref, there's nothing else in my ref except yeah.
Kasi di ba meron yung parang like tips na dapat itong gulay nito should be stored?
Meron doon. I didn't know that apples should be in the ref for it to last longer. I thought that you can leave it outside.
Okay.
No, hindi pala pwede. Zucchinis, you cannot leave it outside also. You have to put it in the ref. Nangyari na yun sa akin. Ang dami kong gulay na naman. Lagi ako madaming gulay. Ang dami kong gulay. And then, in the kitchen, normally, you would really smell that it's fresh. And then when I went inside, oh my God. It was really like bad, foul smell. And then it was my zucchinis. Yung pala kasi it's watery, parang it popped and then the smell was just everywhere. Tapos parang all my other gulays got parang haggard also. So now I know zucchinis dapat lasa. Yeah.
Best tip that you can give aside from the ones that you said,
Yes.
aside from the ones that you said already, to other housewives, young housewives like you?
They should use Joy with a Lady. That's the best tip that I can tell them. Because I really feel that we shouldn't lose ourselves. We should embrace being a modern wife, but at the same time, still love ourselves. So when we do household chores, like washing the dishes, it doesn't feel like you're really doing household chores because you're actually also moisturizing your hands. As she said earlier, which was really good, is it bad ions, she said?
Negative
Ions, right? So that's really good because that doesn't have that. Joy with a Lady doesn't have the bad ions. It will just keep your hands moisturized. And I said nga, ayaw mo naman to have bad hands, diba? Mag-holding hands pa kayo ng asawa mo. Baka makipag-holding hands yun sa iba. Diba? So, we have to still love ourselves.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the day. Buti na lang, nag-calling ko.